We're here in York, about an hour's drive. We're here in York, about 1 hour east of Perth. Just parked up beside the river here with a fair few cockatoos flying in the background you can hear now. Anyway, we've bought this King's rooftop tent, the Tour X, and I'm just going to go through the unfolding process. So we've just put some little twisties on the latches themselves just to hold them down and have a bit more security. So I'll just step through the process, just taking the twisties off starters. Now I'll pop the latches, and these, the cover will self-open. This is a one person job. So I just push that back and make sure that the pull strap is kept to the side here. Now you need to sort of step up to have a look at the, come with me, you need to step up. They have a ladder here that is secured by a strap. So the best way to do this is to undo the strap and pull the ladder out horizontally. So you can see here that the ladder's secured by a strap. So the way I do it is I pop the securing latch and partially pull this out. Pull this out and I just push down on it, and it aids in the opening and makes the whole process quite easy. Now what I do is I actually fold up, pull this down a little bit, and I push these locking mechanisms at the bottom and just push the ladder steps together. Now what we've done is, you probably see here that we've bought two $10 yoga mats from Kmart, and this just helps to give more cushioning, because the mattress itself that comes with the King's Extra is pretty thin and a bit of a hard ride, but these things are great, and $10 a pop. So sometimes folding in and out, the mattress can get caught in between. So just when I'm opening it up, if it's bulging a little bit, I just simply push it in. Now you've got to make sure the securing strap's outside. Just throw that to there. And you want to make sure that the base is horizontal. So I'm just letting the ladder open up by itself. And you want to set it at, 20 degrees offset, something like that. Yeah. There's a couple of securing straps that you need to put on, and they've got the little latches here to hold them back. Yeah. And it's the same on each side, and all it does is just pulls down the covers for the rooftop tent. And some people mount the rooftop tent, on the back of the ute or back of the canopy. We've opted to mount it on the hard shell itself. So I just bought a couple of rhino racks, and it's nice and easy. Okay, so with those little covers latched down now, what I'll do is install the awning openings. So all I do is I open the inside cover up and roll this up the start. Get it out the way. You just need to be able to adjust the fast things like mattresses up into the tent. And here are 6 of these little, I don't know what you might call them, securing arms, I guess. And on these flaps there's little eyelets. So you can just pass the eyelet into the hook. This is how I do it. I just bend it and pass it into the hole itself. You can of course do it the other way. Put it in the hole first. Put in the hole first and bend it back. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to do. But the end result is quite good. So you can repeat this process for adding the arms to the back flap, to the back protector window, and also to the front protector window. And that just allows you to keep them open and get some cross breeze through the tent itself. Okay, so I'm going to pack down the tent now. So the way I do it is I drop these arms on the side, the front and the back, undo these little securing straps, fold up the ladder, and then fold the floor over. So I'll just walk through that process quickly here. So that's the securing latches off. These little flap things are off. Make sure they're all out the way. You want to make sure that this pulling strap, because this is used to pull the top of the rooftop tent over, you might want to make sure that's to the side. So now I'm going to fold the ladder. So at the bottom here, you just push the latches in, and you can push up the ladder, pass the securing strap over and down, and just lock it into place. So from here the process is you can just push up, and it's pretty light to do. Push up and over. Sometimes you might find the securing strap gets a bit caught. You just pick it out. Like so. And we found the key part to getting this to pack properly inside the shell is to fold in these little side panels or side shoulders. So I'll fold in the front, fold in the back, and then go and pull down the rooftop tent cover. I'll start with the back first. So what I do is sort of get this going. Part way, sort of tuck a little bit. You can actually get it to the near horizontal position. It'll sit on its own. This enables you to tuck in the sides. So you tuck all your bits and pieces in. At this point, you've already got the lid pulled over. You can just tuck the securing strap in. I'll do the same for the back. Now what I find is you just get your fingers on top of the rib here, and you put a little bit of weight on it, and the latch sort of pops down, and you can just click both hands in. Not too much bother, and lock it into place. And that's the closing of the X-Tourer rooftop tent complete.